Hello everyone, I will continue our report all about organizing and structuring the new venture. Benefits of organizational structure. Putting an organization structure in place can be very beneficial to a company. The structure not only benefits a company accuracy, but it allows the firm to lay out the pay structure for its employee. The firm can decide salary grades and ranges for each position by putting the organizational structure. Mga pangunahing kahalagahan ng organization structure, una na dito ay nagkakaroon ng malinaw na pagkakakilanlan ng mga tungkulin at responsibilidad. Pangalawa, epektibong komunikasyon. Ang organisasyon ay nagbibigay ng daluyan para sa komunikasyon sa pagitan ng mga departamento at antas ng pamahalaan. Pangatlo, ito ay nagpapataas ng produktibilidad. Ang malinaw na pagkakakilanlan ng mga tungkulin at responsibilidad ay nagpapataas ng mga produktibilidad ng mga empleyado. Pang-apat, ito ay nagpapabuti ng pagpapasya. Ang organisasyon ay nagbibigay ng instruktura para sa pagpapasya na nagpapadali sa mga nagpapasya na gumawa ng mga desisyon na nakabatay sa impormasyon at kaalaman. Panglima, ay nagpapataas din ito ng accountability. Ang organisasyon ay nagbibigay ng malinaw na pagkakakilanlan ng mga responsable sa bawat aspeto ng negosyo. Talent acquisition and team building. Talent acquisition and team building are the crucial aspect in a successful organization. Talent acquisition focus on finding, attracting, and hiring the best candidates for open position. This involves defining needs, clearly identify the skills, experience, and the qualification required. Sourcing candidates utilizing various channels like job boards, social media, employees, referral, and professional networks to reach potential candidates. Screening and assessment, evaluating candidates through resume, interview, assessment to determine their suitability for the role. Onboarding is smoothly integrating new hires into the organization, providing them with necessary training, resources, and support. In short explanation, talent acquisition ay ang proseso ng paghahanap, pagpili at pagkuha ng mga kwalipikadong aplikante upang punan ang mga posisyon sa loob ng organisasyon. Also, let we know about team building. Team building focuses on fostering collaboration, communication, and a positive work environment with a team. This involves establishing clear goals and rules, defining the team objective, and ensuring each member understands their responsibilities. Encouraging communication and collaboration, creating opportunities for the team member to share ideas, provide feedback, and support each other. Building trust and respect, fostering a culture of mutual respect and understanding among the team, celebrating success, organizing and appreciating team achievement to boost morale and motivation. So that we tackle also all about managing cash flow. Managing cash flow, inventory, and the supply chain effectively is essential for a business to operate smoothly and maximize profitability. Number 1, cash flow management. Cash flow is the movement of money into and out the business. Positive cash flow ensure that the business can meet its obligation, reinvest in growth, and weather downturns. Here are the strategies. Forecasting. Develop cash flow projection based on historical data, expected sales, and expenses to anticipate cash needs. Also optimizing receivables and payables. Aim to get paid faster by offering early payment incentive. For payables, take advantage of credit terms but avoid late fees. Controlling expenses, regular review expenses, identify areas for cost cutting, and implement budget controls. Building a cash reserve, set aside a portion of profits to unexpected expenses or slower cash flow period. Number 2, inventory management. Inventory management balances stock availability with minimal storage cost, avoiding overstocking and stock outs. The strategies: demand forecast. Use historical data, season trends, and market analysis to predict demand accurately. Just-in-time inventory. This method minimizes inventory by ordering goods or needed, reducing storage costs and waste. ABC analysis. Classes inventory by value. A high, value B, medium, C, and low. Priority management. Efforts on high value items. Inventory turnover ratio. Regular measure how fast inventory less. Low turnover may indicate. Number 3, supply chain management. A well-managed supply chain ensures that the goods are produced and delivered efficiency and time. Strategies. Supply relationship. Build a strong partnership with suppliers to ensure quality, reliability, and potential cost benefit. Rush management. Diversity supply to reduce the dependency. Plan for alternative source and having contingency. Plan for potential disruption. Technology integration. Use software to track supply chain activities. Monitor performance. Streamline communication across partners. Lean practices. Continuously improve process. Continuous improve process, reducing waste, and optimize workflows to increase supply chain efficiency. So that conclusion, success in a new venture requires a solid foundation of skills, team members, effective cash flow management, and a streamlined supply chain. Focus on hiring individuals with the right skills and a shared vision. Meet the demand without overstocking, and establish efficiency supply chain process to ensure timely and cost-effectively product delivery. In addition, align team goals, managing financial, and optimizing operation. The venture can establish a strong foundation for growth and sustainability. That's all for today, and thank you. I hope you learn more.